How to archive orders on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon and log into your account. After you're logged in, click on Account and List at the top right. And it will pop up all these options. Click on Orders in here. After you click on Orders in here, you'll find all your orders that you purchased earlier. After you'll find all your order, below your order you'll find Archive Order option. Simply click on Archive Order below your order and press on Archive Order again, and your order will be archived easily. And this is how to archive orders on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.